So this is our taco stand. We have now opened up in California. We are going to be staying and cooking.
Except we're not eating tacos tonight.
No, tonight's going to be spaghetti. But we have now decided to turn our rig into a cooking fresh taco place here in Three Rivers. And we are going to camp and cook tacos for people and survive.
That's our summer job.
This is our chef, Corey, cooking. This is me filming. Glory. So this is what dreams are made for.
This is what dreams are made of.
Made of. This is what dreams are made of. I can't begin to tell you how beautiful this is.
Yeah, it's been really, really pretty here. We've loved every minute of it. The sun's setting right now. It looks really, really cool.
This is showing.
Should we show him?
Right now.
Should we show him? We should show him.
Interrupt the video. That's a picnic table. How about this? You want a little zoom in. Just look around. Real quick, just wanted to show you. Every tree is casting a shadow on that golden grass hill. And the Sierra Mountains and Sequoia Mountains are stunning. So is Corey. There she is.
Hello again.
Say that again.
Hello again.
Boop. So we are gonna finally do some s'mores.
S'mores! What's crazy is this will be our first time on this trip doing s'mores ourselves.
Yeah.
Now we did do s'mores in Sedona, but it was because friends that we met, the roads we roam, and Two Doves Nation had all the s'mores stuff, and we did s'mores with them. So yeah, as much as I love s'mores, it's extremely surprising that this is the first time that we're gonna do it. So I'm very excited. So we have our marshmallows, which are like square marshmallows, which is perfect for s'mores. Daniel bought some s'more sticks and chocolate.
We got all the gear
that I've already started to eat.
So we're gonna do this tonight in a fire. This has been beautiful here. We wish we had more time here. 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We could stay here for 2 weeks easy.
Yeah.
We did look at summer jobs. We heard how hot and busy it is. I thought if it stayed like this during the summer, but everyone comes here.
We have heard that it gets really, really busy during the summer. The traffic's really, really bad because there's only one road, basically in here and then out.
Just like Gila, New Mexico.
And so, if you are, wanting to plan a trip, the best time, we would say, would be around this time. And right now it is April, 22nd?
Yeah.
It's the day after Easter.
Yep,
2 days
Come here
after
Easter weekend. Easter weekend is the best time. All you see
really
is families here. A lot of families are here, and they're here just to observe creation.
And it's a pretty spiritual place to come to Easter weekend.
Yeah,
or at least we've found.
The largest tree that was created.
Just
on the day when it matters.
Incredible.
But yeah, it's been beautiful. We're coming back here. I could live here. I could live here.
The amount of places that Daniel could live.
No. This in Prescott.
Daniel, look at the camera.
Oh. Yeah, anyways. But I'm just hanging out. She's shooting a video.
This was Daniel's idea.
Alrighty, so enough of that rehearsed stuff. We're shooting the breeze tonight with a beautiful sunset and doing some, I was about to say shish kebabs. We're doing some shish kebabs, some chocolate marshmallow shish kebabs. otherwise known as s'mores. Now, the cool thing that I remember us learning about,
You're just freaking me out. a little bit.
she thinks I'm gonna stab her in her chest. So anyways, ice cream cone, marshmallow, chocolate. That's the new way I want to try. I'm not the biggest s'more fan. I just literally catch this on fire till it's black. She likes the chocolate.
The marshmallow on fire till it's black.
Black, till it's black.
Till it's black.
But beautiful sunset. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got birds. That would be a bird. Crowd.
If I'd ever known how you'd forever change my life, I would up and go, I'd walk out of sight. But I'm glad I rearranged from falling apart, because you built me a mosaic, a perfect puzzle to capture my heart. And so I promise I'll be there for you. I'll pick you up when you fall. You know I'll be here when you need me to, so you won't have to stand alone.
Just the thought of you, of falling, feel my world turns upside down.
That's how I like them. Georgia style.
Questions
Black.
of how and would you love
Charred.
me now, and could you hold me in the storm? 'Cause in my mind I would be crazy to let my heart lead this romance.
Alrighty, y'all, join the road.
And don't forget to check out our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe.
Take it easy. This will all be chop suey bloopers
Alright, we're gonna do our sign off.
for the friends. Yeah, what's our sign off? Join the road. Alright, y'all. Join the road.
Yep, and then don't forget to subscribe and like
Or
our
it
video.
shouldn't be, yeah, that should be your
Yeah.
part. I should say, alright, y'all.
Join the road.
Join the road. Then you say,
See ya.
no,
Or peace.
no, it's too ghetto. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. That's your, give us a thumbs up.
Okay.
Boom, like with the flick.